Air-Operated Double Diaphragm Pump, or AODD pump, uses air to control the speed of the diaphragm when pumping various liquids throughout manufacturing facilities. An electronic pressure regulator from Proportion Air can easily provide AODD pump speed control to most AODD pumps. For larger pumps, we recommend our QB1X paired with our PSR series volume booster. Let's take a closer look at this process. When both valves are closed, there is no change. When the left inlet valve is open, the supply air pressurizes the dome of the volume booster, and equal pressure is applied to the AODD pump. Inlet valve closes when pressure set point is reached. When the right exhaust valve is opened, the dome pressure relieves to atmospheres, and output pressure to the AODD pump is reduced. Once power and command set point are fed to the QB1X, air is supplied to dome of the PSR series volume booster, with single-loop feedback providing steady pressure to the dome of the PSR. This allows the PSR to mechanically adjust to back pressure spikes. A two-loop assembly measuring downstream pressure would constantly react to pressure spikes and fail to stabilize. Now that the air is set, air leaves the PSR series volume booster and enters the AODD pump. Looking inside the AODD pump, we can see how this process works with the pump to control the flow of liquid. Here, we can see air moving one side of the chamber, causing the pump to create a vacuum effect on the liquid in the pipe, as the other pipe's liquid is free to move. Another release of air moves above the chamber, causing the opposite pump to move, creating the same vacuum effect, thus releasing the opposing pipe liquid.